As cold and flu season approaches, many individuals seek effective ways to enhance their immune systems and alleviate symptoms. One popular remedy is Barbara O'Neill's Flu Balm, a powerful concoction made from natural ingredients known for their health benefits. O'Neill, a well-respected health educator, promotes the idea of using food as medicine, believing that our bodies can heal themselves when provided with the right nutrients. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Why consider the flu balm? The flu balm is designed to support the body during times of illness. Its ingredients are carefully selected for their medicinal properties. Garlic, known for its antiviral and antibacterial effects, garlic contains allicin, which enhances immune function. Ginger. This spice is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can soothe sore throats and reduce nausea. Lemon juice. Rich in vitamin C, lemon juice boosts the immune system and provides antioxidants. Honey. Raw honey alleviates coughs and sore throats while offering antimicrobial benefits. Cayenne pepper. Contains capsaicin, which helps relieve congestion and promotes circulation. O'Neill asserts that the flu balm can knock out most sicknesses in 3 days when consumed properly. She encourages a holistic approach to health, advocating for natural remedies alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest. Recipe: how to make Barbara's Flu Balm. If you're interested in trying the flu balm, here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 4 garlic cloves, finely grated or crushed. 1 teaspoon ginger, freshly grated or powdered. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 tablespoon raw organic honey. 1 drop eucalyptus oil, optional. Cayenne pepper, to taste, start with 1/4 teaspoon. Instructions: boil water. In a medium-sized pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add garlic and ginger. Once boiling, add the grated garlic and ginger. Reduce heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. Mix in other ingredients, remove from heat and stir in cayenne pepper, lemon juice, honey, and eucalyptus oil if using. Serve warm. Pour half a cup of this warm mixture. Dosage: for best results, consume 2 to 3 times daily when feeling unwell, or 1/3 to half a cup before bed for prevention. Conclusion: Barbara O'Neill's Flu Balm exemplifies how natural ingredients can work together to promote health. By incorporating this remedy into your routine during flu season or whenever you feel under the weather, you may find yourself better equipped to combat illness naturally. However, always consult with a healthcare provider if you have concerns about your health or if symptoms persist. Embracing natural remedies alongside conventional healthcare can lead to a more balanced approach to wellness.